hitting Meeka with a floor of Poppets. Let's see her reaction. We have an entire box full of Poppets. Let's do this. Meeka's already getting curious of what we're doing. Oh my gosh, so many Poppets! We are gonna cover the entire floor with the Poppets. It's a unicorn! Meeka is getting so curious right now. Don't worry, baby, you can come and pop it in a little bit. It's a really big Poppet. You'll be out in a little bit, baby. Okay, last one.
Oh my gosh.
Now that we have all of them laid out, we are gonna let Meeka in to see her reaction.
Let's do it.
Meeka is so excited right now.
Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, she is gonna love this, you guys. Let's do it.
Meeka. Yeah. Ready? Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh, look at all these Poppets.
Meeka, look. What's that?
Wow, Meeka.
Meeka, let's pop it. Meeka, let's do it. Look. Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
Go, Meeka.
Yeah. Come on. Let's play. Yeah.
Go play.
Meeka, here. Look. Look, Meeka. Here, like this. Yeah, look. Do like this, Meeka, okay?
Wow, Meeka. Are you having fun? Yes, Poppets. Yes. Oh, she loves them. All right, lay down, Meeka. Lay down. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Ah, woo, 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 woo.
Meeka, you love them? Do you love the puppets? Do you, Meeka? You love the puppets? Yeah.
Wow, Meeka's having so much fun with the Poppets today. She just can't get over how cool they are. Oh my gosh, Meeka.
Meeka, look.
Wow.
Let's play.
So fun to pop. Meeka, look.
Like this.
She's popping them with her little paws.
Okay, Meeka, let's play. Like this, look. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, let's turn over. This. And let's pop it. Look.
Who knew popping Poppets could be so relaxing? Oh, she's popping them. Wow, Zelda's loving the Poppets too.
You like the puppets? You do? Come here. Let's play. Play like this, Meeka. Look. So we'll do like, look here, here. Yes, we'll do like that. We'll push them down. Like
Wow,
this.
she loves it.
Like this, Meeka. Let's do it
Wow,
fast.
she's having so much
Fast,
fun.
fast. Let's do it, Meeka. Okay? Yes? Who's gonna do it faster? Me or you? You? No, me. Daddy, okay? Yes. Do you like both of them? Or the unicorn more? Look, play like this. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You love them? Yes. Okay, let's play. You wanna play right now? Yeah, like this. 1, 2. Yes. You do it, okay? Do it. Do it right now. Yes. Show me. Show me how you do it. Come on. Show me. Show me how you do it, Meeka. Yes, like this. Have to pop in the ball. Like this, yes. Like them? Look.
Oh, she's trying to pop them.
Pop them, Meeka. Like this.
Oh, Zelda likes the unicorn the
So you want to
best.
play too? Yes, you do.
Aw. Oh, Meeka's getting jealous.
You want to pop it? No, look, Meeka. Like this.
Wow, they're so amused right now by the unicorn.
They like the noise.
Aw. Wow, Meeka. Do you love them? Aw, she loves the Poppets, you guys. Okay, do you want to see other Poppets? Do you want to see some other Poppets? Okay, I'm going to show you all of the Poppets, okay? Do you have the other Poppets? All right, let's show you. I got you this Poppet. Do you like it? Okay, Meeka, rate this Poppet. What do you think? 10 out of 10. Yay! There you go, baby.
Meeka?
What about Peppa, Meeka?
Meeka, what about? Do you like Peppa? Yes? You do? Do you like Peppa? You bug? Do you like it? Let. Wow.
Oh, Meeka. Okay, do you want this bag? Maybe she wants this one. Let's
You
try
don't
this
want
one.
bag?
She doesn't want that.
You
She
don't
doesn't
want
want
this
that one. Okay, what about this one? Here, try this one.
Meeka? Meeka, here. Yes. What about this one? You like it more this
Oh,
one?
she likes that one more.
Yeah,
The
you like it
unicorn.
more? Yes. Wow.
She loves
Meeka.
it. That is
Nice
so
bag,
cute.
Meeka. Wow.
Wow, Meeka, you look so
What
pretty.
do you want? This one.
Aww,
both?
now she has both on.
Wow. 2 bags for Meeka.
Wow, look at those Poppet bags. Those are so cute, Meeka.
Meeka, do you like your bags? You love them?
Aw, she loves
Yes.
them.
Good girl, Meeka. Yes, you love them. You do? Okay.
Aw, she likes them. So cute. We just added so many Poppets like this to our family store. We'll leave the link in the description for you guys.
The next day.
Oh, what does she have? She has her Fidget. She loves her Fidget. She still has it right now. Oh my goodness. Can I pop it? Okay, Meeka, I'll cut you a deal. I will trade you this Fidget for that Poppet. What do you think? Aww, she loves that butterfly too. Meeka has become a professional fidget collector. No, baby, like this, okay? Like, you have to pop it like that. Okay, pop it like this one. Okay? Pop it like this one. Like that. Okay? Now you do it. Like this, baby. You're getting so close there. You're doing so good. Like that. Yes, don't worry, baby. I'll pop it for you from now on. You can just tell me where you want me to pop it, and then I'll pop it for you so you can hear the popping sounds, okay? Yay! Good girl, Meeka. Good girl. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like. See you in our next video. You do? I love you too.
Most beautiful flower. You are the most beautiful flower. Yes.
You do? I love you too.
Most beautiful flower. You are the most beautiful flower. Yes.
You do? I love you too.
Most beautiful flower.